Well, good morning, everybody. We just got done killing some legs. We did all kinds of things, but I went really heavy on back squats. I went up this week. Let me see if I can show you what I'm talking about. So, if y'all can see this, that's a different exercise. Back squat. All right, so started out with 45 pounds, just the bar, and I'm doing 6 reps. But I'm adding 10 pounds on each side, and then I'm going up, and then last week I did 335 for 12, which is double the 6. So once I hit that doubling mark, I increased the weight, so I add another set, did 365 for 2, and then I did front squats on top of that, but a lot of volume, a lot of heavy weight. You know, doing 365 on the 12th set of legs kicked my butt. So literally. But yeah, we're about to jump in the meeting, the crew meeting for the keto brick. We're gonna bump out some bricks today. Whew, I catch my breath, y'all. What are you doing, Corey?
Man, I'm having me a cup of coffee. Is that okay?
Cup of coffee?
Yes,
How you doing
sir.
today?
I'm strong.
All right. Strong?
Yes, sir.
What do you love about working here at Keto Brick?
I just love the people.
The
and
people?
my bosses the most. They're just so inspirational and motivational. They're great people.
I have to agree with you. Robert Sykes is so cool.
He is the coolest person on the planet.
And Crystal, she's alright too. And
She's
Jack,
okay.
he's the real CEO.
Yeah, look on.
I will say this, yo. I will say this, though, y'all. I gotta really learn how to speak. This weekend, I got all of this room organized here. So I put up another panel, and then I put up this felt cloth so that the gym is more or less completely blacked out now. So we got another rack. We have like 20 of these black racks. I counted them the other day. So I've got all the shipping supplies here, and we're grabbing from this end down, so it's easier to just look and see what the inventory is. I got my target set up so I could shoot from inside the conference room, which is kind of cool. It's about 20 yards, and just more organization here. Got the shirts, they're getting ready. We're gonna launch the clothing soon. I know y'all are waiting on that. I promise it's gonna happen. I'm doing everything I can to get that done. I'm actually gonna work on the apparel website this week, so hopefully that'll be done soon. I've got a couple more shipments of clothing coming in, and then we'll launch that, but I'll let you know. Y'all will be the first to know when that goes live. All right, y'all, this is the week of ice cream. We just got some more ice cream in. Goody Beats hooked us up. We got the Creamy Goody Crunch. Net carbs, 3 per serving. 1/2 cup is the serving size. Was it 1/4 cup in the other ice cream? Or was it a half
Quarter.
cup? It was a quarter?
No, it was a half cup.
It was a half?
Yeah.
210 calories, 19 grams of fat, 13 grams of carbs, 3 of which are fiber, less than 1 gram of sugar, and 7 grams of erythritol, 5 grams of protein. Ingredients are, where are the ingredients? Cream, water, erythritol, almond butter, roasted almonds, MCT oil, whey protein, concentrate, chicory root fiber, vegetable glycerin, pure vanilla extract, gums, xanthan, locust bean, and guar gum, and vanilla bean, stevia. Boom.
Boom.
I'm excited.
Ooh,
Look at that texture,
that looks yummy.
It's got a lot more oomph texture-wise to it. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Just get a big old,
Yeah, that looks so good.
it's a big old bite. You ready?
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's mine?
Yeah, go for it, baby. Pretty good?
Oh my god.
Pretty good?
That is so good. What's awesome is like this is already like my favorite kind of ice cream.
Yeah, the Killer Way
Oh
ice
my
cream is like the
God.
bomb diggity. They hooked me up with a bunch earlier.
But I love like almond,
And like the texture in there.
almond nut type ice creams. Holy crap, that's good. Sorry.
Creamy Goody Crunch. Well, Logan, I think you hit it out of the park with this one, man.
For sure.
This is the bomb diggity.
Mm.
I'm not even like a sweet person. I don't eat. I am a sweet person, but I don't eat a lot of sweets.
I don't know about that.
But I could totally this.
I am a sweets person. That's bomb.
Look at
It's
that.
so good. Mmm. So,
mm.
I'll see you later.
All right, you want to just like eat this whole pint?
Sure.
We can like Netflix and chill and eat some ice cream.
Probably not, but yes.
All All right.
I do want to.
What's a no-go? The ice cream or the Netflix and chill? See you in a bit. We got a truck coming in with all the gym equipment, but before I go open that up, got my new Rider-Wear shoes in the mail. Which, by the way, y'all know I wear these all the time. Got some on right now. These are the best lifting shoes known to man. They're so comfortable that I wear them every day, even when I'm not lifting. Happy to get some new ones. Now, let's go check out the gym equipment. Alright, so this is the weight stack. We had to get like a custom weight stack because if y'all remember on the equipment, the weight stack that we currently have, it doesn't give us much range of motion because I got the upgraded stack. So with this, we'll be able to get the full range of motion because they changed the layout of the plates, and I'll explain that in more detail when we get it unloaded here. It's a nice shirt, bro.
Yeah, gotta unleash your inner savage.
Yeah. Check it out.
What'd you get, Robert?
Oh, I got some more weights, y'all. More weights.
You gonna fix the gym?
Yeah, so basically, if y'all remember, the other ones, they were in increments of 10 pounds. So is it really dark or is it okay?
A little dark on you.
Here, yeah, switch sides with me. Alright, so if y'all remember, the other weight stack was in increments of 10 pounds, so 10, 20, 30, 40, etc., up to 300, and it was a much taller weight stack, so it would bottom out because it would hit the pulleys. These, it's 10-pound increments up to the first 100 pounds, and then it goes to 20-pound increments. So the weight stack is still 300 pounds, but it's much less height, so this should be much better for us. Alright, y'all, today has been a doozy of a day. It has gotten away from me in a big way. That rhymed. So the last clip was us unloading that pallet of the weights. Whew, a lot has happened since then. I ran into town, had to run some errands, got a call back. There's a plumber I'm having come out here and kind of help me figure out the best way of going about putting a shower in here because I can't break the slab. I can't jackhammer into this concrete slab at this place since I don't own it. So we'll kind of have to get, improvise with how we're putting that shower in. So that took up quite a lot of time. Then we started putting the equipment together for the gym, and it just kept messing up. Like, it just was a nightmare. We got it kind of halfway rigged together now, not fully put together, but that's there. It's 7 p.m. right now. I still haven't run my 5 miles, so I'm exhausted. It's been a long day. I just want to eat and go to bed, but I'm gonna go run my 5 miles. So I'll see you in a little bit. All right, y'all, I've got about another 30 minutes or so of daylight. Time to cowboy up and get after it. All right, y'all, it's super dark in here. Just got done running my 5 miles. It's dark outside. I ran in the trail for the first 3 miles and fell a jillion times, tripped on a whole bunch of stops I couldn't see because it was basically pitch black. So now I ran the last 2 miles on the pavement. I'm gonna head home, get something to eat, get a shower, and go to bed. All right, back in the warehouse. Check out my shoes, y'all. So, probably can't see. Just covered in mud. But I gotta say, I absolutely love running in the mud. It's like, I don't know, it's like a kid again or something. Check out this meat I'm about to chow down on, y'all. Check this out. We got a pound of 75, 25 ground beef and 4 of the Teton Waters hot dogs. Yeah, buddy. Boom. Check out that mountain of meat. That looks like a small bowl because of, or small amount of meat because of the bowl size, but that bowl is huge. I mean, this is a Primal Kitchen thing to give you an idea. In conclusion of today, while I sit here and eat this meat, all I gotta say is I could easily have let today get the better of me. I could easily have said, oh, I'm just gonna do my run tomorrow and gone to bed early. But I'm not going to do that because I committed to running every single day until I hit 10 miles. And I haven't broken it yet, and I'm not going to break it going forward. So here is to that commitment. By golly, I feel way better now that I've run the 10 mile, or the today was 5 miles. So I feel way better than having run now than had I gone to sleep. If I had gone to sleep, not run, having not run, I'd been laying in bed, couldn't fall asleep. I'd been like, man, I sold myself short, didn't say what I was going to do, or didn't do what I said I was going to do, and I probably would have gotten up out of bed and gone and ran on the treadmill for 5 miles. But don't sell yourself short. Don't convince yourself out of a good thing. If it's hard, if it's inconvenient, if it's not in line with what you desire or what you find pleasure in, sometimes you just gotta buckle up and do it, you know? Sometimes you gotta look yourself in the mirror and look yourself in the eye and say, look, Robert, don't be a little